What is a reply brief? Have you ever wondered how legal arguments get their final polish before a court makes a decision? One important tool in this process is the reply brief. So, what exactly is a reply brief? A reply brief is a legal document submitted in appellate court proceedings. It is typically filed by the appellant, who is the party that initiated the appeal. This document serves as a response to the respondent's brief, which is the opposing party's answer to the appellant's initial brief. The main purpose of a reply brief is to address the arguments raised by the respondent. It clarifies any misunderstandings and reinforces the appellant's main points. Timing is crucial here. The reply brief is filed after the respondent's brief, giving the appellant one last chance to speak to the court before oral arguments or a decision is made. What should you include in a reply brief? It is essential to focus on responding to the respondent's arguments rather than introducing entirely new issues. This helps the court understand the most critical points of disagreement. A well-crafted reply brief does not simply repeat the appellant's opening arguments. Instead, it concentrates on key legal and factual issues raised by the respondent. You want to correct any misstatements of law or fact and emphasize the strongest arguments supporting your case. When it comes to format and length, reply briefs are often more concise than opening briefs. They avoid redundant background information and organize arguments into clear sections that directly respond to the respondent's points. The strategic importance of a reply brief cannot be overstated. It is the appellant's last word before the court's decision. This makes it a vital tool for shaping the court's understanding and addressing any questions that may arise after reviewing the respondent's brief. Interestingly, while reply briefs are most commonly associated with appellate practice, they can also appear in trial court contexts. For example, when a party files a motion, they may have an opportunity to respond to the opposing party's brief opposing that motion. For law students, mastering the reply brief is essential. It involves learning how to write persuasively and succinctly, focusing on rebuttal rather than repetition. Understanding appellate procedure and court expectations is also key. Crafting a reply brief requires careful legal analysis and strategic thinking to effectively counter the opposing party's arguments and reinforce the appeal's strongest points.